Good morning, engineering buddies. Here we go again on another day, another set of tutorials. So, ngayon, ang next topic natin is underplane geometry pa rin, but circles na tayo and other miscellaneous figures. So, when we say other miscellaneous figures, dito na papasok yung mag-discuss din tayo ng parabola, parabolic figures, ellipse, and etc. No? So, it will be the last part of our plane geometry. Then, after the plane geometry, we will now proceed to solid geometry, no? So, pero bago tayo doon, sige, anuhin muna natin tong plane geometry, circles, and other miscellaneous figures. So, before solving problems, please take note of the following concepts and formulas. So, kindly screenshot na lang the following topics, the following concepts about circles. Okay, I will give you time to take note of the following. Okay, next. So kindly familiarize yourself with the following concepts, no? Okay, next. Okay, next topic. Yan, parabo. Okay, next. So guys, kompleto naman to, no? Actually, ito palang book na ginagamit ko na pinagkukuha ng mga concepts si kay Gilisanya, yung Engineering Mathematics. Kasi complete set na siya, may mga formulas na rin, and sample problems, etc. So, after having those concepts, no? Actually, babalikan pa naman natin yan from time to time when we solving problems. So, try natin tong problem number 1. Find the area of the shaded circle shown. So, kung hindi nyo makita ang shaded portion dyan, ito. Yan yung shaded portion, no? Okay. Pero siguro try natin i-drawing isolate siya. Try natin i-drawing dito. Yan. Tapos, yan, parang ganyan siya. So, let's say na ba't magasin laki siya eh. Parang ganyan. Yan. Okay. And then, shaded. Dapat pala, ano to? Yan. Yan. Yung shaded region, yung red. Okay? So, then, alam natin na sabi dito, ikatlo, radius, 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 radius. So, find the area of the shaded circle shown. So, paano ba natin sinosolve itong mga ganitong problem? Okay. So, ako, ang ginagawa ko dito, let's try to draw a triangle first. Okay. From dito sa gitna, no mismong malaking circle, yung pinapagitnaan ng dalawang semicircle, and then up to the center of the shaded circle. Okay. And then, and then extend to the, nakaya natin, extend natin dito sa gitna din, yung semicircle na to. So, parang, as you can see, yung green na triangle na nabuo natin, parang nakabuo tayo ng right triangle. Okay? So, let's name it as, sabi natin A, B, tapos ito ay C. Next, alam natin, since ito itong part na to is the radius also of the semicircle. Tapos ito yung radius nung malaking nung itong shaded circle. So, let's name it as X na lang. Ganyan. Then, alam din natin, since yun nga yung radius, ato X din to. So, para nakabuo tayo ng triangle ABC. Ito pala, ano pala yung height na to? Di ba ang height na to, itong height na to, is what? Kasi ito, parang gagamit lang tayo ng Pythagorean theorem. Ang pwede natin gawin, kasi since ito ay radius, ito yung radius ng isa, ito r plus x to. Yan, r plus x. Ito yung hinahanap natin. Ano ba yung height niyan? Kasi alam natin, ito is 2, ano to, ito ay 2r plus x. So, 2r minus x yan. R ito, wait lang guys Ito kasi, r plus x. So, tas ito na. Ito ay 2r minus x. 2r minus x. Okay. Ngayon, sa triangle ABC, yung hypotenuse natin is yung r plus x. Ulitin natin guys para maintindihan nyo. Let's hihiwalay natin ng drawing. Di ba may nabuo tayong right triangle na ganito? Ang green. Tapos, ito kasi, di ba, nung inano natin yan, parang itong hypotenuse ito, di ba nagkaroon ng r dito, tapos ito x, tapos ito r. So, bali ang hypotenuse mo, itong r plus x, tapos itong height na to, ito yung 2r minus x. Yan. Paano naging 2r minus x? Kasi di ba itong ito yung sa malaking semicircle na ito, di ba ang parang ang radius niyan is 2r. 2r, tapos ito, ima-minus mo tong x na to, ima-minus mo tong ma-minus mo tong x na to, kaya naging 2r minus x. Okay, sana malinaw. So, dito, gamit lang tayo ng Pythagorean theorem. Ang hinahanap pala dito ay yung area ng shaded circle. So, malalaman natin yun once na makakuha tayo ng value. So, sa triangle ABC, di ba r plus x squared? Parang c squared is equal to r squared plus 2r minus x squared. Okay? So, pag in-expand natin, r squared plus 2rx plus x squared is just equal to r squared plus 4r squared minus 4rx plus x squared. So, may makakancel dito. Ito makakancel to si r squared, si x squared. And then, okay. So, transpose, magiging 6rx is equal to 4r squared. So, pag makakuha tayo ng value ng x dyan as 2 over thirds r. Ngayon, when we get the x now, since yan yung radius ng shaded circle, di ba ang area ng circle is just equal to pi r squared. So, pi, yung radius niya is 2 over third r squared. So, makakuha tayo ng value na 4 over 9 pi r squared. So, yan ang final answer natin. Okay. So, saan nagigets kung paano ulit nakuha yung mga values? Pwede nyo balik-balikan. Pwede nyo, yan. 4 over 9 pi r squared. So, I believe ito siya. Letter B. 4 over 9 pi r squared. Okay? So, that's how you solve the problem. So, for more engineering videos and tutorials, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell button para updated tayo sa mga susunod pa nating tutorials. So, problem number 1 pa lang to ng plane geometry circles, no? So, meron pa tayong couple of problems. So, padayon engineers!